First, I connect my laptop computer to this Logitech Z5500.
5500.
And I place those speakers in the four farthest corners of space for that optimal THX experience.
Sounds so good.
But the real mood pleaser is this FireFly 501 by Lights Alive, which has 4 channels and 1 dimmer to make each of those special moments count.
Ooh la la.
With these 4 channels consisting of 14 work lights and 1 dimmer connected to these 2 converted lanterns, you can create an ambiance that no trick-or-treater can resist.
Where's my candy?
If these modified lanterns don't float your boat, then try these festive pumpkins instead.